Hello everyone! So I am Nikki Daroy, a proud PNU graduate, batch 2013. You know what? Being a PNU1 is both an honor and a pressure. It's an honor because you graduated from the National Center for Teacher Education, and of course, this is also somehow a pressure because again, it's PNU. People expect from you to give your best, to do your best, and to comply things with high expectation or high quality. Well, I think kaya naman kasi PNU1 ka nga. At syempre, kakayanin mo kasi PNU1 ka nga. Kasi lahat ng experiences during your stay at Philippine Normal University, make sure na lahat ng pagdadaanan mo as a teacher ay talaga namang kakayanin mo. Now, yung mga iyakan moments, yung sangkatarbang project, yung tawanan, yung paghahabol mo ng mga projects na hindi ka na matutulog whole week. I think those are the main ingredients para ikaw ngayon sa labas ng Inang Pamantasan ay maging isang huwarang guro na kung saan ay magi-inspire din ng iyong mga estudyante na kahit na yun din ang pagdaanan nila, kakayanin din nila. Okay? So, sabi nga, kahit ano pang pagdaanan natin, let the light of the torch burning. Nag-aalab na pagmamahal sa mga bata ang tinuro sa atin ni Inang Pamantasan. Panatilihin natin na nag-aalab para sa mas maraming bata ang ating matuturuan.
Good day everyone! I am Miss Niña at Abanilla. I am the current president of the Faculty of Education Sciences Alumni Association of the Philippine Normal University. I graduated at PNU last 2017 under the degree of Bachelor in Elementary Education. It is really an honor to be part of the Faculty of Education Sciences way back 2014 to 2017. When you're a graduate of PNU, they really expect you to be the best because it is the National Center for Teacher Education. So once you pass your resume and they see that you are a graduate of PNU, they will surely be impressed. And I think that is one of the good ways of being a graduate of PNU. And from its mantra of truth, excellence, and service, they also know that you can always teach the truth, be excellent at all times, and it's not just a work for a PNU1, but it is a service to God and service to the Filipino children.